This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Pocket Option app from Google Play Store. If you are encountering this error or any other related error while trying to install this app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, you need to go to your Google Play Store and just tap on it to open, and make sure you are searching your app while logged in with your Gmail account. However, if you're still unable to download and install this app while logged in, then just go to your profile icon, tap on it and go down to settings. From here, we need to make some changes on the network, so look for network preferences, and from this look for app download preference. Currently, you can see we have these three options. If for your case it is set to over Wi-Fi only, change this to over any network and then okay. This will ensure you can download your apps from Google Play Store via the current network you are connected to. Now at this point, you should be able to download your apps. However, if you can't still download your app, then the problem might be with Google Play Store itself and we need to troubleshoot it. To do so, just go to settings. And from settings, look for apps. From apps, look for this option, manage apps, and this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, just search for your app. So I'll just search for Play Store, and here we have a Google Play Store. Tap on it to open. First, go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be running in the background. Then head to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. Then you need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, now go to Google Play Store. And here I'll activate search and search for the app, and now you can see my app is here. I'll tap on it and try now to install, and look at that. Now I'm able to download and install Pocket Option app on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install Pocket Option app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.